This is a huge day. Okay, so I'm sure you've heard and saw on Instagram that Rob and I have bought a new house, and I am taking you on the journey. Today is the final walkthrough and the closing. Rob, how you feeling right now?
Let's get it. Let's go.
Okay, so
Exciting.
we really didn't tell a soul. Like, none of our family knows right now. Like, none. It's just me, Rob, the kids, and our real estate agent, which is insane. And like, our parents don't know.
Surprise.
Surprise. Yeah, I definitely feel like I'm gonna throw up from nerves.
We got this.
I'm just nervous. Like,
All
this
good.
is like a big thing. Oh, my hair does look pretty today. Look, I'm all about the positive energy. Look at my earrings. Positive vibes, positive energy. All right, we're going to the house. Okay, guys, so I'm sure you're wondering why me and Rob didn't tell our family, right? Well, we had several deals that fell apart over the last, year. It's been an interesting journey for him and I, especially most recently. We had a house, and unfortunately, a family member came in and, Rob, how do you want to say this?
Essentially stole the deal right out from under us.
That's why we didn't tell our family. We're
done sharing with our family, and we just didn't want to jinx anything. And I'm in real estate, and until a deal closes, it's not closed. And you got to make sure. There's a lot that can happen between an accepted offer and the final day.
Isn't that the truth?
And we were tired of being disappointed and putting it out there. So it's a very happy day for us, and we really just
and we're gonna celebrate with
surprise
everybody. We're
everybody.
gonna celebrate once everything is closed, and it's just been a roller coaster. Like, we went into contract. Oh, not anymore. It's like it was just a roller coaster, and I just didn't want to keep saying it over and over again. So this time we just were quiet about it, and today it's closing, and we have our final walkthrough. So that's why, guys. I know you're probably like, why didn't they tell their family? Well, now you know. Okay, guys, so the next question I know you guys are gonna ask me is, Gina, did you sell your house that you live in now? No, we didn't. We bought a new house, and we did not sell our older house. But we have lots of interest. We have an amazing real estate agent that Rob and I love. Don't we love her, Rob?
yeah, she's like the best.
She's
Super
the
professional.
bomb. Super professional.
Very
Very cool. And not to mention, beautiful. And we love her, and we know she's going to sell our home. We have so much faith in her. And it'll happen. It's going to happen. We have lots of interest, and I know my dad is looking upon us, watching us, and we're going to get that deal done too. So one thing at a time. We bought a house, and then we're going to sell the one we're in. It'll be fine, right, Rob?
Yeah, there's just not a lot of inventory out there, and we found something
like
we
my
love.
hands?
And we, like we said, tired of losing deals and opportunities, so we jumped all over this one, took a leap of faith, and the home we're selling it's a beautiful home.
Beautiful
It'll be
home.
great for some other family.
But it was just time for us to move on.
And
But we were so grateful for the
Get it
beautiful
done.
memories that we had in that house. And whoever buys my current home is going to absolutely love it, because it's just a fun house. The backyard is so much fun. It's beautiful. The kitchen is gorgeous. I love my kitchen. Oh, I love my kitchen. You guys love my kitchen too. My kitchen's gorgeous over there. But I can't wait to show you the new house, and we're about to pull up. I'm so excited. Keep in mind, guys, it does need some work, but we're gonna put our little Gina and Rob touch in, right, Rob? And
Absolutely.
a little bit at a time, and it'll be fabulous. So I'm excited. Can't wait for you to see. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to come on here. We are in between closing and final walkthrough. We're so excited for the closing. I can't wait. I wanted to just touch base upon, why we didn't, tell everybody. I know Rob went through it, but I just wanted to make sure that everybody knows that this was two people in Rob's family. And it was a close family member and a girlfriend that did this. And it's not a reflection on anybody else in his family. We love his family. He loves his family. You know, we did this because we just didn't want it to happen again. And I don't know, I didn't tell my family either, just to make it fair. You know, we just did it. This is just something that we had to do between him and I. And you know what's funny? So we've been in contract for 4 months. Long time. And Robbie knew the whole time and he didn't say anything. How crazy is that? A 5-year-old not saying anything? Like, he actually kept the secret because he's so excited to move into this house. Like, he wants to move into this house, so he's like so excited about it. Isn't that funny? So yeah, so just wanted to make it clear, Rob comes from a beautiful family. I love my in-laws, I love my family. You know, we just had that one person and his girlfriend. So I just wanted to make that clear. Okay, enough said. I want you to tell me, where are we going right now?
To the new house.
No, we're gonna close on the new house, silly.
We're going to buy it. We're going to closing.
Okay, I'm in complete shock. We just bought the house. Oh my God.
It's official. We are closed.
I can't even believe we bought a house and nobody knows.
I know. It's so crazy.
Like,
Makes it so much fun.
nobody knows we bought a house. I mean, I've been dodging phone calls left and right today. My mother and my sister and my mother-in-law are probably like, where are they? Where are they? We're at a closing, buying a house. Oh my
official.
God. Okay, we're on our way there. First time in. Okay guys, what are we doing right now? Rob?
Pulling into our new home.
And we're home.
We are home.
Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Robbie, this is the first time you're home.
This is unbelievable.
Okay guys, are you ready to go in?
Go.
Woohoo! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited! Thanks, guys!
Yeah.
Should we do the house tour today or should we save it for next week?
Save it for next week.
Okay, see you guys next week. Bye-bye!